Hello everyone, today I'm making my spicy yogurt chicken. Okay, first things first, I'm just going to add everything that I have in the fridge, which is leftover ginger, chili, there's the turmeric. If you don't have the turmeric paste, you can just use a teaspoon of powdered turmeric, ground turmeric. Okay, I'm just going to put this all on here. It's about 2 tablespoons of ginger. Lots of getting rid of all the things that I use, bits and bobs. More ginger, more chili. So it's about a tablespoon or 2 of each. My garlic, a whopping tablespoon and a bit more. Okay, now I'm going to add from my tomato puree, just a little bit, a couple of tablespoons, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Remember, it's spicy. Tablespoon of paprika, teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of fennel seeds, and a teaspoon of crushed chili, tablespoon of my masala. You can use chili powder if you want it spicy, and then of course the yogurt. Okay, let's vergeet in. It's a klomp goeders, but it's gonna taste amazing. And we don't want a lot of yogurt, just enough to coat it, because we also don't want to waste. So it's about half to 3/4 of a cup, and with clean hands you can just massage it all in. Lekker nie wonder. And this you let sit for about minimum an hour, maximum overnight. And when you take it out of the fridge, let it sit so for about half an hour out of the fridge, because you don't want stone cold, ice cold chicken going into the oven. Okay. There's one more ingredient that I forgot to add, my lemon. Okay, let's add that juice of 1 lemon. Let's rub it through again, all in that chicken. Come in. Okay, marinate this, and when we come back, we'll put it in the oven. Okay guys, my oven has been preheating on 220 degrees Celsius, and this has marinated nicely. And I'm just going to pack it on my tray. You can just do it in a normal oven tray, line it with baking paper or foil. I'm putting on a rack because I want more even brine in the oven. Wat jy force ek nou die hoender in. It's gonna be good in the neighborhood. space mark, but this die laaste ene. Guys, help me. How now? It's like a game of Tetris. So and so. Okay. In the oven for about 50 to 55 minutes to an hour. Okay. Okay guys, it's been exactly an hour and I'm going to pull out the chicken now. There we go. Look at that. If you want a bit more char, you can up your heat by about 10-15 degrees, and then you can get a bit more char. You can see the juices are running out clear. Perfect. Okay, and I'm just gonna some fresh coriander, and of course you can put slices of lime, lemon. You can serve it with hot sides, cold sides, whatever you like, with rice. There it is. My spicy yogurt chicken. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye everyone. Love you guys.